guys, indaba yesithembu, uthando nesithembu. People make decisions to stay with this man bemazi ukuthi uyi-polygamist. You understand? Just manje sesibuka ngenye indlela nathi watching TV, we just like they were forced. No, they were not forced. They were not forced. They made those decisions ukuthi bafuna ukuhlala nale ndoda. Finally le ndoda inamanga. Yatshela uMacele ezinye izinto ukuthi no, actually I'm not the type. I don't think I will marry more wives and all of that, because that's what Macele is saying. Eventually, I think wabona esebona omunye eseza, she was just like, hey, okay, I'm accepting of this. I feel good they've been accepting of this thing, yabo, of being involved with the polygamist. Just a polygamist in amanga, and I batsheli itori efanayo. Almost, it's not telling them the same things these women. It goes around telling them different things, because nangu phela sithi umayini yena wezwa sengathi uMakhumalo wayezoba yinene ingane. Guys, you know what? Amanye amadoda mhlawumbe just not generalize anamanga. Because honestly, guys, what would you think Makhumalo has a name? Wow. And chances are umayini babemtshela lokho usanowunini lo, kanti babhizi on the side badlala baqabulana. Like, you understand the stuff that we go through tonight as women, amanga. And then eventually nathi you just like, hayibo, uzugcina usuyivuma nawe lento le, ngoba it started off ngathi nomdlalo, that whole thing yokuthi lo wangathi wayiwunini, all of a sudden usenomusa. And how do I not say okay ke naye angangena la changing naye? Guys, it's a lot, but I feel good they made a decision to be involved with this man. That's just my thing. And then bamthathe as he is now. Betshela nathi ku-TV ezinye izinto ezingekho right, it's not necessarily helping. Lalela, isithembu sinzima. It's not some joke, okay? Yeah, so nje ubuthakathi-ke vele buhlale phambili. And what normally happens, it's very rare that a man will be the one that's targeting the wives. The wives are the ones that targeting each other amongst them. So obviously kuneyitori umayini wakwaqhamuka nesitori sokuthi umnini wakwaba nolimo olublue ngathi uphoyiziniwe edle kuphi, and then umusa didn't necessarily umseleku support her. Ngapha uMakamangwabe wake wathi ingane ezingadli kamayini cause zizofa. Guys, lalela, always be that esithenjeni ukuthi ukuthakatha kukhona, ngoba ukhona omunye umama vele ozofika nezinto ey'kanjalo. Babe 1 or 2 abasebenzisa imithi and stuff like that. That's a given. I mean, that's just my thing. I don't wanna put it in any other way, ngoba angazi naye usuke feel ukuthi uqinisa umuzi wakhe or wenzani, you know. But naye uMakamangwabe angatshela ingane le, naleyo ingane ihambe ifike ikhulume kamayeni bese kuphakwa ukuthi hayi no, mina wathi ugogo ngadla ekhaya ngoba nje ngingaze ngife. Uyabona? And uMangwabe, umayini alanda uMangwabe athi hayi, oh, like why would you be saying those things enganeni? Kusho ukuthi into eniyikhulumayo leyo nto leyo. Nalento futhi ukuthi ingane kaMangwabe yayinekhanda eliflethi, mhlawumbe akuyona kaMseleku. Naye uMangwabe atshela umayini lokho ukuthi even you came up with those stories, so mina ngihambe ngilala. Angifuni ukisho ngesingisi, ngihambe ngilala mina. Ingane le ekhaya nje kunekhanda eliflethi, and then apparently ingane mhlawumbe ngathi uyagcina isiyenzela umsebenzi, mhlawumbe kwahlatshwa umbuzi, asazi, but something like that. I'm just like, yabona nje indaba yasesithenjini, guys, is just usathane in another level for me. Ngapha umusa bakwa-insinuator ukuthi ene actually futhi nami njengoba ungibona nkulu ungacabangi labo mama bahleli, and on top of that futhi abamfuna umama lo uMakhwela, umama wesi-5, unkosikazi wesi-5, bamfuna ukuthi eze la change. So basically babhizi bayaphephetha, babhizi nani nokuthakatha, basebenzisa imithi. Naye umusa, because it doesn't help this guy. He just vele umlilo nesilonda, basically asithele usawuthi ukuthi usibhubhuzele afakele some more. He's the one, like I've always said, God, everything that you see is changing that's going on with Musa Mseleke and his wives, uyena ufakayo izinto kube wese. Yabona nje guys, I think esithembi most esithenjini ufunda nomona noma ubungenawo, because you always want to prove yourself and you always want this man to prove himself to you as a woman ukuthi mina ezami iy'ngane you're not necessarily taking care of them proper ezabanye uyakhetha. But uMbali is like mina ezami uyayinakekela iy'ngane, I don't see anything wrong, sanakekelwa thina guys. And then ngapha there's been a story for the past 2 weeks ukuthi uMusa akanamali uMusa le ungazi uzufile ukuthi oh my gosh angaba na 15 wives actually, like ukubona leyo nto le. So there's just stories around the fact that uyakhetha. And yakhumbula kule video before this one I even said hayi uMusa guys is so much better when it comes to taking care of ifamily yakhe, considering the fact that he doesn't know his dad. Uyayibona manje kodwa manje there's just too many stories around that, we don't know. And futhi at the same time you're looking at 4 women who are broken literally, because you just like hayibo labo mama bakwate ngendlela engafani. Finding nabo they came with their own packages there, but bafila ukuthi le ndoda iba-treat differently. You'll never treat them the same, you know. I'm just like I don't want to lie. Therapy sessions bezikhalisa bonje uMakhumalo nkosame sekhuluma nje how she feels neglected type of thing, that whole thing ukuthi phela it came ukuthi uMusa nje almost 5 months engaka Makhumalo guys. It's like now he is treating her in some type of way. Ukubona leyo nto leyo, but Nonto is very good, the therapist, in trying to get to see to what's wrong with the women, what are they unhappy about, and basically exposing this man of certain things like my medical aid and other things. But I'm just like almost I'm saying you guys now, because the you need to handle it in a certain way. Ngapha uSamge ilobolo lakhe alikakapheleli, and the way izinto zikaSamge they are, how it's been though, what I think mina uSamge wayinalento ukuthi khona imali yabo, so stuff is gonna be quick, I'm gonna be bought my own house nabanje abantu bathengela ama Mercedes Benz. So kanti akazi labo mama bayithengela lezi zindlu lezi. So now the family is angry. They're just like no, sitshela kabi lo baba lo wesithembu sifuna lo nganiqedelele ukulotshola, sifuna ukwazi guys in stuck. Yeah, no, it's the reality of things. Ustaki akayiswe eMzumba akayiswa akho ndlu nje anytime soon guys. From which money? You saw people bought their own houses. Ngisho bani uMangwabi, uMakhumalo, uMacele noma yini banezindlu zabo. Uzoyaphi wena njengoba ubona le ndoda ingenayo le mali lo bicabanga ukuthi unayo? Hey guys kunzima. uMakhola must just wake up and see ukuthi uphuma kanjani. Now you thengisa something, enze something. You need to be serious akho makhulu malo akwishize njengomama. Makushiza ngomama you need ukuthi uzothengisa ngomzimba. There's other things that you can do to make money, like how we're doing with 4 YouTube channels. Cathi umdlalo lo, we've got other businesses, 3-4 businesses. Akona umdlalo mawuthi umuntu ufuna 7 income streams, cathi uyadlala ngadlala uyasebenza, not even like a dog ngoba uqalisa nje ayisebenza. I've always said thank you so much guys for always loving this channel. Ngithanda over.